Hi guys, today we are going to discuss level order traversal or BFS of a binary tree. In this traversal, what we do is we have to traverse this tree in level by level. So the first level is 1, the second level has the node 2 and 3, and the third level has 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have to traverse it in this sequence. So in this what we really do is we take a queue and a BFS array, and in this queue we initialize it by the root node, which is 1 in this example, and we simply do a while loop on this queue while it is not empty. So while this queue is not empty, we take the top element, which is the leftmost element of the queue, and we print it in the BFS solution, and then we push the left and right child of the root node of the top node if it exists, and after pushing the children of the current node, we pop it from the queue. Now we take the topmost element again while the queue is not empty, and we write it in BFS and push the children of 2, which are 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are pushed to the queue. Now we can pop 2 as well. Now we take out the top element of queue, which is 3, and print it in our BFS and push the children's of top element, which is 6 and 7 in the queue, 6 and 7, and now we can pop out 3 as well. Now we see that the top element is 4, so we traverse it and we see there is no children of 4, so we need not insert it on the queue, so we just pop it. Simply 5 has no children again, so we traverse it and we pop it, and 6 has no children, so we traverse it and pop it, and 7 has no children, so we print it and pop it. So this is our BFS solution for this tree. So let's hop on to the code. We have actually prepared this structure of node for this tree, and the tree in this example that I have shown, I have created it on the main function, and I will do a BFS here. So what we do is we take a queue of type node and we initialize it with the root node, which is tree here, and we do a while loop over the queue while it's not empty. And what we did in this loop, we just take the top element, which is node current is equal to q dot front. This gets the top element and we pop it from the queue, and now we traverse it, so we have to print this value. So cout currents well. Now what we have to do is push the children of current node. So if current of left exists, we push it on the queue, and again if the right child of current exists, we push it in the queue. Okay, cool. Let's run this. Okay, so it's giving an error. Okay, so I think I have not included the queue header files. I have to include it as well. Now let's see this. Okay, so now we see that we have this solution 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is actually what we wanted right here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.